Today I'm gonna show you how to put vinyl siding on. We're gonna put vinyl siding on the shed right here. The first thing we're gonna do is gonna wrap the shed with Tyvek. That's that house wrap right there. We're gonna go on the way around this motherfucker. Tighten up all that old siding and everything that's on there. You already did that. Anything that's rotted or fucked up, we're gonna replace it. There's your siding. Replace all this shit back here. So now we'll go ahead on and wrap it with some Tyvek. Starting at the bottom and going on around and shit, and then overlapping the top, letting the top overlap the bottom. You start at the bottom, go one corner, going around this motherfucker, just like that. That's what you do all the way around. You're gonna cut the piece and go on the top and let it overhang down the side and then staple it. And that's how you're gonna put your Tyvek on. We're doing it with a fucking staple gun, the easy way. We got all our Tyvek up. It's time to put some tape on the seams, some Tyvek tape. All the way around that motherfucker. That's right. A lot of people don't do this stuff. We're gonna go ahead and do that all the way around. And this is what we got. What your building looks like. Just like that. So everything's all wrapped in Tyvek. Gonna tape all the seams and everything. Then we're gonna start laying and putting the fucking starter strips on the side. Now we're gonna take some of these corners right here and fucking start putting some corners on. You see it nail it back like every 5 inches, kind of loose. So when the heat hits it, it can expand, right, Dave?
Yeah, but I'm saying, like, don't, you know what I mean, don't drive your nails tight. Leave the heads of them out a little bit.
And everything is all fucking taped nice. Down around the doors. That's right. These nailing them with some fucking roofing nails. I'll go ahead on and put all 4 corners on right now. Alright, now that we got all our corners and shit on, we're gonna go ahead and put the J channel and shit around the door and all. Like so. That's right. You got the corners on. Go ahead and get the J channel around the door now. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the J channel up around the top. Also, notice how like when you go in over top of the door, you're gonna cut it and fold it over a little bit. See? Fold that piece over right there. So go ahead on and nail that J channel all the way around the whole top now. Next step, we're gonna put up our starter strip and metal starter strip down at the bottom. We're gonna make that motherfucker level. Make sure it's level, and it's gonna be the same all the way around. That way you're siding on all the sides, the lines on the side and lines up the way it's supposed to be. So go ahead on and put them up, get them started and shit. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna mark all my studs and everything, so I fucking make sure that when we're putting this shit up, we're nailing it in the studs the way it's supposed to be. All right. So you go ahead on and got this starter strip on this one side, and then lock this one piece of siding in, and using a square, continue the line around that corner right there to the next solder strip, so it all lines up, all the pieces and shit. Now I'm gonna show you how that fucking shit locks together. Take your starter strip right here like that. That's on the bottom. Where's that little piece you cut off? And this is the bottom of your side. Like that. It just fucking hooks right over top of that motherfucker. Just like that. This bottom part right here hooks over the bottom of that shit. Well, you got the fucking idea. You take that little fucking lip and pull it over top of this motherfucker right here. And that's what's happening down there. The next one, next piece of siding, you're gonna fucking clip it into the one below it, go all the way down, pull it up tight, and nail it on your studs and shit where we marked with the fucking chalk line and shit. Now we got that piece locked in, the second piece locked in. Gonna go ahead on it, fucking go down there. And since we don't want to bash our fingers no more, we use the screws today. Just fucking screwing it right into the stud. You don't have to worry about this side and pulling off or blowing off or none of that shit. That'd be right. Pulling it tight. Right in the stud, screwing it. Just gonna keep on going right on down this motherfucker. I'll step back away from it now so you can see what we got. And that's what it looks like. At this point right here, that should go fast. Alright, so now we got all our siding on and we're up at the very top. What you're going to do when you get up there is you're going to measure from the bottom of the lip up to the inside of the J channel. And you're going to make that mark on your piece of siding and cut it, rip it down so that it fits and stuff. So you can see we've already done it on this one side over here. Over here. It's going to be like 5 inches on one side, 5 1/4 on the other side. You go ahead and strike a chalk line on it, make your measurement, cut your length, snap it in, put a couple of little screws, and you got siding. Job done. That's simple. Alright, that's the end of the siding job. That's how you put siding on. That's that easy. It's a little harder than I thought because of the way the starter strips are on the bottom. But once you get them motherfuckers right and everything is all level and lined up, all your siding and all, when you're going to put it back on, that's easy. Simple, easy. Anybody can do it. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Leave a comment, hit the like section, and subscribe. Watch some of the other 270 videos we got. Y'all have a good day.